Good morning. Today I am going to continue the rules of subject verb agreement. Students, I have already explained the 6 basic rules of subject verb agreement in my previous class. You can watch it in my previous video. Now I am continuing the next rule of subject verb agreement. Rule number 7. Plural nouns with singular meaning. Nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning usually take a singular verb. कुछ noun जो form में plural होते हैं लेकिन it gives singular meaning, and that's why we shall use singular verb with these nouns. For example, mathematics, economics, measles, civics, physics, aerobics, news. We can explain it better with the help of more examples. Mathematics is not an easy subject. Here, with mathematics, I have used singular verb that is is. Just like that, economics is a difficult subject. Here, is also singular. Now, rule number 8. Singular nouns with plural verb. Some nouns which appear to be singular in form take a plural verb. कुछ नाउन जो हैं वो दिखने में तो लगते हैं सिंगुलर लेकिन बेसिकली ये होते हैं प्लूरल. इनके साथ हम प्लूरल वर्ब लगाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पीपल आर फॉन्ड ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स. हियर पीपल दिखने में तो लग रहा है ये सिंगुलर है लेकिन बेसिकली ये प्लूरल है. जस्ट लाइक दैट, कैटल, पुलिस, दीज आर ऑल्सो प्लूरल, and that's why we shall use plural verb with these nouns. Rule 9. There are some words which are singular, and that's why we shall use only singular verb with these words. Rule is scenery, furniture, information, luggage, news, poetry, machinery will be always in singular form, so we use singular verb with these words. The scenery of Kashmir, not are, is beautiful. All his information were nahi, was false. Now, rule number 10. A collective noun such as jury, committee, family, etc. takes a singular verb when it is considered one unit. जब इसको one unit के रूप में देखा जाएगा तो ये इनके साथ क्या लगेगा? सिंगुलर. But when they are regarded as individual, they take a plural verb. For example, the jury is about to give its decision. Here, singular verb has been used, but the jury are divided in their opinion. यहां पर क्या है? Individual. तो यहां पर क्या लगेगा? Plural, that is are. Just like that, the committee is meeting tomorrow, but the committee have decided to raise membership fee. Now, rule number 11. When some nouns are regarded as one unit, they take a singular verb. Here, bread and butter. यहां पर and तो जरूर लगा हुआ है लेकिन ये है एक वन यूनिट को बताता है, इसीलिए मैंने नीचे लिखा it. Bread and butter means it is a wholesome food. Slow and steady wins. Again, here wins is singular verb. Time and tide waits for no man. Here waits is again singular. Now, rule number 12. Very important. Some nouns which appear to be plural in form when preceded by a pair of take a singular verb. For example, shoes, scissors, trouser, gloves. There are two parts of these sentences. these things actually. A pair of scissors was taken out of the drawer. Here singular, verb will be singular. यदि a pair of लगा हुआ है तो verb singular होगा. A pair of gloves is there. A pair of shoes was bought. लेकिन but when these nouns are used without a pair of, अगर a pair of नहीं लगा हुआ हो, they take a plural verb. For example, your trousers, not was, were new. His shoes, not his, are dirty. Those scissors have been lost. Thank you.